Hello, lovely viewers, once again. Today we are here to find the density of water. I want to ask, can anybody tell me the density of water? Can you guess? All right. Now, let us do a practical approach to know the density of water. What is density? Density is mass. A mass is something that's contained in a stuff of a substance. And what is the volume? The volume is the space occupied by a substance or matter. Now, to get the density of water, what we need to know is that we need to use a calibrated beaker. Now, we put a calibrated beaker on top of the balance and make sure that it is on zero, as you can see. We then pour the water into the beaker to measure the mass of the beaker. So we are pouring the water to know the amount of water in that. Now, when you look at it, we can therefore see that the mass of the water is approximately 100.1. So we are therefore making it as 100. Now, let us consider the volume. As you can see, the volume is the same equivalent to its mass. So we are having the volume of 100 centimeter cube or 100 ml to the same mass of 100 grams. So let us also go to the board and look at the data to calculate for the density of the water. All right, now let's look at the data we got from the practical we had. Now, the mass of the water equals to 100 grams. Now, the volume of the water too equals to 100 centimeter cube. So, the density is the mass of the water divided by the volume of the water, which is 100 grams divided by 100 centimeter cube. So, when you do that division, you are going to get 1.0 gram per centimeter cube, which is the density of water. Now, knowing the density of water, what of this importance? Scientists are able to use this one to find how pure a substance is or purity of a substance. Secondly, scientists are able to use the density to also construct shapes, aeroplanes, vessels, and yachts. Now, for example, if your density is more than 1.0 grams, you're definitely going to sink. And if your density is less than 1.0 grams per centimeter cube, you're definitely going to float. So based on this one, scientists are able to adjust the principle of flotation and sinking, meaning that if you are an object that are made to float, scientists can make you sink. And if you are an object that made to sink, scientists can make you float. So the density of a substance in water, that is the only substance whose mass is equivalent to its volume. And scientists also use the density of water to relate it to